This year marks 7 years since we lost Grant. After trying to reset the channel yet once again, in an attempt to try and keep his memory alive, I realized that it's time to stop chasing his shadow. As I approached the 7-year anniversary this year, I really didn't want to feel sad. And I really want to lean in to marking this anniversary with more joy. Joy for focusing on what he actually left behind and a focus on the way he lived his life. Grant was the kid that was told he was never going to amount to anything. He was mercilessly bullied, and every day at school, kids would go out of their way to tell him what a loser he was. In the face of all that, he built this channel, but he did it while he was rebuilding his confidence. And as he was rebuilding his confidence, he was building character and who he was. And this channel became a place where millions of you felt like you mattered. Now, Grant didn't do this to gain followers or become a famous YouTuber. Back when we started this channel, there was no such thing as a YouTuber. He genuinely wanted to explore and share out of the deep curiosity that was truly inside of his heart. So for all of you who became a part of this family, that's what this is. This is a way to keep that idea alive. One of the ways I've come to understand his memory and what he truly did is for me to follow that example and to live the way he lived. Not doing what he did, but living each day in a way that became full of questions and curiosity and exploration, and living each day to its very fullest. And Grant did that by following his passions and building things that he loved and creating projects and sharing them with you guys. So one of the ways I wanted to do that this year and really truly embody the creative, explorative spirit that he had is with this Dare to Live merch line. So we're releasing this Dare to Live merch line, and I want you to see this at the very bottom. It says RIP Grant Thompson, the King of Random, 1980 to 2019. And the whole point of it is dare to live each day to its fullest. Dare to live what is your passion, but dare to live and do what scares you. And making videos in the beginning scared him, but he did it because he dared to live. And that's what this merch line is, and that's what this product represents. So for this memorial anniversary, this is what I wanted to give to the community and the family and the audience. So following his example, something I've been inspired to do this year is start a nonprofit. It was born from the experience that I've lived, losing my husband and raising kids on my own. The nonprofit is called Healing Hearts Getaways, and it's designed to support families who have lost a parent or a partner and help them in their process of grieving. I've found that through my experience, time doesn't heal, but it does make you stronger. So for me, I've found that in the process of healing, some of the most profound experiences I've had have come when I've had what I call a pattern interrupt. So every day is a pattern, and we create patterns by doing things repetitively, right? And after I lost my husband, every day felt like a chore just to wake up and get out of bed. Now, my kids were a big motivation for me to get out of bed, but beyond that, it was really hard. And I found that when I took the time to interrupt that pattern and extract myself from my home and do something different, that's when I would have the most profound feelings of healing and hope and feeling like I could do the next thing. Right after Grant died, we had planned to go to Hawaii as a family, and unfortunately, one of the houses we had rented wouldn't give me a refund. I decided I'm still gonna do this even without Grant, and I had no idea what I was getting into taking 4 kids on a vacation as a newly single mom. And it was miserable. It was so hard, and I missed Grant so bad. But it was also something that helped me realize I can do hard things. And in a way, it gave me the permission to be okay with making new memories without him. But being in a magical place where Grant and I had so many good memories, and taking my kids to Hawaii was one of those things that gave me hope for the future. And as I realized that, one of the things I felt like I would have really benefited from is if I had had help with my kids, help with finding a place to stay, just help with all the little things that go into, creating a vacation that usually you do with a family when you have 2 parents, and that's what we had planned to do. And so as time's gone on, I felt like this is something that I now want to give to other families who have lost a parent and help them have a pattern interrupt that will help them through the process of their grief and help them move forward, embrace their grief, and create new memories with joy. It's a way to see things differently, which is one of the things that Grant loved the most. And so back to this merch, a portion of every purchase is going to go straight back into this nonprofit to support a family on their healing vacation. So 2 things. For 2026, we are looking for a family to sponsor. So if you know of someone that has tragically lost a loved one, we would love to get your nominations of families who you feel like would deserve something like this and would help them on their path in their healing after their loss. So know that if you buy and wear one of these t-shirts, or if you share this video, you're part of the reason for Grant's legacy, and this new initiative will keep going and support me in my dare to live and how I can support others who have gone through what I've gone through and make it a little easier on them. The last thing is I want to address the fact that a shirt is never going to be enough to tell you who Grant really was and honor his legacy. It is a fun, cute thing, and I hope we all can share in that community. But the next thing I'm working on is something even deeper than that, and it's truly honoring the life that he lived. So there's something else we're making. The next thing we're working on is a docuseries about Grant's life, his whole story, including parts we've never shared. So I cannot wait to share it with you. And as Grant always said, I'll see you in the next one.